Hi everyone, it's Rachel from Sweet and Simple Home, and today I am going to tackle one of the most controversial DIYs that has ever come up on my channel. Earlier this summer I bought this really sweet little stool for my living room, and I felt very torn about it because it has this really pretty floral cover on it, and I think it's really pretty and I appreciate, you know, the beauty of the floral. However, I really don't like burgundy in my house. I had some comments like, put this stool down and walk away, don't touch that stool, don't mess with somebody's art, don't mess with somebody's creation. Some very pointed things saying don't do it. Other people saying it's your house, do what you want. Some people saying, you know, it's small, it doesn't really take that much away from your decor. But because my house is small, I like everything in my house to be something that I love, that's something I'm very passionate about. Although I appreciate the beauty of this piece, I'm going to alter it to better suit my taste and my decor. So my sister Lizzie gave me some of this really cute ticking stripe fabric, and I thought that would look really nice. Don't worry, I'm not going to paint the wood. I feel like the wood goes well with my wood table and the legs of my blue chair here behind me. The dark wood is fine. I'm not going to get all crazy with the chalk paint, no worries. I use a lot of blues in my decor and a lot of stripes, so I thought that this would go really well. So what I'm going to do is flip this over. There's a couple screws in the bottom that I need to take out, and then I'm going to remove this beautiful piece and I'm going to send it to someone who I know will love it and it suits their decor to a T. So no worries, it will be appreciated, it will be displayed, it will be honored in someone else's home. So I finished it. It's by no means perfect. I don't pretend that it is, but it's perfect for me, and that's what matters. So I'm really excited about it, and I hope those of you who are like, Rachel, back away from the stool, hands up, walk away, don't touch it, can forgive me, because I sure love it, and it flows so much more nicely with my living room decor now. So if you guys didn't see the original video where I hauled this, I will have that linked for you guys up here in the cards and then also down below, so you can see where I found it, how much I paid, and all that. But this was such a fun little project. I got it done during nap time. I love it when that happens. If you are new here, please subscribe. Would love to have you here at the Sweet and Simple Home. I love making my home beautiful little by little with little projects like these and shopping secondhand and just making do with what I have to make my home a more beautiful and functional place to live. So if that speaks to your heart, I hope you'll hit that subscribe button and the little red bell so you can be notified whenever I have new content for you. Take care, and I'll be back with more soon. Bye!